Hey everyone, it's Angela. Today we're making some delicious naan bread. It's a super easy recipe using yeast, yes, but don't let that intimidate you or stop you because it's really easy to make. And it's a great beginner's recipe for making bread with yeast. To get started, we're going to add warm water. Make sure it's 110 to 115 degrees in a large mixing bowl with your yeast and some sugar. Set that aside for 5 to 10 minutes and let it activate or bloom before adding the rest of the ingredients. And once your yeast is nice and foamy as you see here, we're going to add some milk, a beaten egg, and then we'll start adding the dry ingredients, the flour and the salt. Okay, and once we've added the flour, we're going to mix this until the flour is incorporated into the wet ingredients. It'll be what's called kind of a shaggy dough. It'll be loose, not pulled together completely yet. And if you're using a stand mixer, you can knead that in your stand mixer or knead it in your bowl as I'm doing here for a few minutes, or do all of the kneading on a lightly floured working surface. I knead it for about 2 to 3 minutes, cover it as you see here and let my gluten activate. That's resting it for 5 to 7 minutes, and then continue kneading it for another 5 minutes. Shape it into a ball and place it into a well-oiled bowl. Cover it and let it rise for about an hour until doubled in size. Next, we'll punch the dough down, pull that out onto our working surface again, and I'm going to pull this apart into 6 pieces, relatively even in size, for each of my pieces of naan bread. Shape your portion dough into little balls and set them on your working surface again. I'm going to place that sheet of cling film back over these dough balls and let it rise for 30 more minutes. Okay, once we're close to that point where the dough is risen, I'll preheat my skillet, griddle, or grill, whatever you're using. I pull my naan bread into kind of a flatbread shape and use a rolling pin to roll it out. So it's about 1/4 inch in thickness. Place it into your preheated skillet. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on the first side. You're waiting for the dough to kind of puff, and then it's another 30 to 60 seconds on the second side, and brush it with butter. Repeat until all of the naan bread is done, and then enjoy this delicious bread that is perfect for any of your curries. That's one of my favorite dishes. We also had this with chicken shawarma. Thanks so much for watching this recipe. I know you're gonna love this. I do wanna know in the comments, tell me what your favorite dishes are to eat naan bread with. That way I can try them too. And be sure to come back and watch other recipes. We've got over 2,000 on Bake It With Love. We've been doing this for 10 years and we love sharing these wonderful, easy recipes with you. I can't wait for you to see our next dishes.